This day marks another milestone of Jasmine, a great one. 18 beautiful years since she was gifted to us, and she is an amazing daughter. She is a blessing. She never failed to excel in school and always make us proud. To all present here today, we chose you to join us and be part as we witnessed her coming of age.
Bilang kapatid ni Jasmine, ang masasabi ko lang is napaka-sweet niya lalo na dun sa bunso naming kapatid at napaka-caring niya even though hindi niya masyado yung ma-express. Pero nakikita ko naman na napakabuti niyang ate sa mga kapatid namin.
Even though you're grown so much na you still haven't changed your personality towards us. And I hope that all your wishes come true.
I wish na good yung birthday celebration mo. And thank you kasi tinutulungan mo ko sa mga assignments ko.
There's fire on my blood.
Nung ikwento sa akin ang asawa ko na baby girl yung anak namin, sobrang tuwa kami. Na-excite dahil yun nga, pangalawa siya. Noon pagdating ko, siyempre sobrang saya at nagka-baby girl ako. Tapos yun, hanggang lumaki siya, pagdadating ko, sobrang kulit niya.
Masaya kasi baby girl na sobrang kulit talaga at napakahilig sa mga girly things. Kung makikita nyo, talagang mahilig siyang mag-ayos ng sarili niya. Pero kahit gano'n naman, binabawi niya naman yun kasi nag-excel naman siya sa school. Mabait naman siya sa mga kapatid at responsable siyang ate kahit hindi siya yung eldest.
Happy birthday, Jazz. Now that you're turning 18, I hope you keep believing in yourself and going after your dreams.
I hope the world treats you gently the same way you treat the people around you. Happy birthday again. Love, Krisha.
Continue to be the person that you are. Kind, smart, and flawlessly beautiful. Mahal na mahal kita, Ate Jazz, and happy birthday once again.
Ikaw yung one of the best cousins I have kasi parang minsan nagigets mo ako, minsan kahit di ako nakakatawa, natatawa ka sa akin.
I will lift up your name and the foxes.
Sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng goals mo in your life.
Sobrang thankful ako sa'yo kasi sobrang bait mo sa amin. Thank you so much and happy birthday. I wish you the best. I wish you all the very best for your future goals and dreams.
You are good to me, good to me. You.
So almost 3 years na magkaibigan tayo. Ang dami mong naituro at madami din akong natutunan sa'yo.
Happy birthday! Itong regalo ko sa'yo, magagamit mo to bilang isang maging dalaga.
Always remember, Jazz, that you deserve the good things in life. Kasi naging mabuti kang anak, kapatid, at syempre kaibigan sa amin.
And your voice fills the night. Raise my head up to hear the sound. On my fire.
So I'm very thankful for meeting you and also having the pride of calling you my best friend. And I'm very proud of the person you were, the person you are now, and the person you are becoming.
Thank you for acting like a real ate to me, Ate Jazz. Ang wish ko lang talaga, ay ma-achieve mo yung gusto mong ma-achieve sa life. Always share your positivity and your contagious laugh with everyone.
I'm very thankful to be able to call you my friend and just know that I am proud of you and everything you've done. I will always be here rooting for you and I wish that you achieve all that you've always wanted in life. Stay pretty, kind, and safe always.
Yes, you are, good to me, good to me.
I wish for you is mas lalo ka pa sanang maging malakas and matatag para kayanin lahat ng challenges na iharap man sa'yo. And syempre, ma-achieve mo lahat ng goals mo in life.
I hope life will treat you good and live a life that you deserve. I love you so, so much.
Embrace this new chapter with all the excitement and fearlessness it deserves. You are brilliant, you are capable, and you have such an amazing future.
You deserve to be loved and cherished in the deepest and gentlest ways. And I hope today reminds you of how valued you are.
Thank you for being the kind friend that I never thought I'd have. Thank you for everything, and may you enjoy your day and the rest of your life.
I hope this journey brings you joy, confidence, and of course, memories that will last for a lifetime.
Yeah, your goodness and mercy shall follow me all my life.
Happy 18th birthday, Jazz. Wishing you a lot of fun, good vibes, and new adventures. Enjoy every moment and always remember that I'm rooting for you.
Wherever life takes you next, alam ko na kaya mong buuin yung life na para talaga sa'yo. Don't ever let fear win you over your dreams because you were made for things bigger than comfort zones and easy answers.
I hope you continue to grow, shine, and enjoy every moment that comes your way. Happy debut and cheers to many more wonderful years ahead, Beth.
I feel really lucky to have you as a friend, as an ate.
Happy birthday ulit. I wish you all the best.
Sana lagi mong tatandaan na if things didn't go the way you wanted, I hope na i-choose mo pa rin i-look a better side.
Good to me, good to me. You are good to me.
Sa iyong journey, sa buhay mo, always trust God. Kung ano man yung mga wealth na i-entrust niya sa'yo, always remember, steward lang tayo dito sa mundo. Wala tayong pag-aari. Everything belongs to God. So, pag-aralan mo, ayusin mo, pamahagi mo, kung ano man yung wealth na makukuha mo through your journey in the future.
We thought that we lost, but now I see there's nothing better than us.
Sasabi ko lang, happy birthday, Jasmine.
Wishing you all the best and stay pretty.
Ingatan mo to. Whenever you feel sad, isipin mo na lang na galing ito kay Tita Ces and Tito Dindo.
Celebrate who you are, express yourself boldly, and shine in every shade of your journey. Happy 18th birthday.
I don't wanna waste one more afternoon being alone and not here with you. All we ever get.
Bahala ka na. Dahil ikaw ang nakakaalam kung ano ang gusto mo at makakaligaya sa iyo. Kaya, I wish you all the best.
May this treasure reminds you of to always be prepared and embrace every opportunity with confidence.
18 ka na, nasa legal age, dapat yung mga ginagawa mo, responsible ka na. Yun lang. And sana maging doktor ka.
sabi ko sa iyo, love you. Yung sabi ko sa iyo, ha, ikaw ay 18 na. We're so proud of you. Ipagpatuloy mo ang iyong pag-aaral, magtapos, and para masunod mo ang iyong mga pangarap sa buhay. Wish ko na lahat ng iyong pangarap ay matupad. I wish you all the best, Jazz. Happy birthday.
All we ever get is one life, so I think that we better spend it right. I don't wanna waste one more afternoon being alone and not here with you.
Jasmine, it doesn't mean that you have come to your legal age that you will be on your own. Your papa and I will still be your command until you can freely and responsibly spread your wings. Life is hard, very, very hard. It has never been easy, but with your inborn character and acquired knowledge and experiences, we are confident you will reach your dreams in life and your heart's desires. We love you, though we are shy to say it as often, and we always got your back, no matter what. Happy birthday, and we love you so much.